Hello everybody, it's Marcia and I am the guest designer at Clique. So Gia sent me the February kit and this is called A Wonderful World and it features these beautiful papers from Alexandra Rentke. She is a German artist and these papers, they're one-sided, are just gorgeous. They're watercolors um, with flowers and butterflies. They're almost too gorgeous to cut into. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I think they should be framed themselves and just put on the wall for artwork. I think this yellow one is my favorite. Beautiful flowers with butterflies. They are absolutely gorgeous. So the kit also came with some Heidi Swap. This is from Art Walk. And so this paper was green and white striped on one side. And then on the other side it had this collage of blues. Really pretty. The rainbows. These are from the Heidi Swap storyline. And it's nice to have some journaling cards to work with too in the kit. So then there's some Vicky Bouton, Let's Wander. Love the houses. They're awesome. And there's so some paper airplanes and some letters in a yellow. And then the last Vicky Bouton piece is kind of a greenish yellow blend here on this side. It reminds me of Formica countertops. And then this one has, of course, beautiful flowers that are screaming to be fussy cut out for layouts. All right, so let's look at the ephemera pieces. So each kit has a pack of these Let's Wander ephemera pieces. There are 50 pieces in the pack. And so this is what's in it. And then I have them laid out on a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock so you can see the size. These ephemera pieces are maybe a little bit larger. There's actually 3 pages I have here to show you. So there's lots of flowers, leaves, things to eat, things you would do on vacation, sunglasses, lots of fun things here. And here's the third and final sheet then. So these could be used for cruise. They could be used, for tropical vacation. There's stamps on here, butterflies, titles, lots of fun stuff here. They could be used for tons of stuff. All right, so then there was an alphabet sticker sheet, and this is from Pretty Little Studio, and these are black stickers. So they are on the smaller side, but they should work really well for titles or subtitles on layouts. There's also a Pretty Little Studio journaling stickers here too. And then there's some Heidi Swap phrase stickers here. So these are a variety of things. They are not just related to travel. So Heidi Swap is all about telling the story, and so these phrase stickers have lots of different things on them. You'd be able to use them for a variety of layouts. This also came with some photo corners, and they are in all different colors, large and small. All right, so let's look at some of the smaller stuff that came in the kit. Clique kits are known for having unusual, rare finds. So these are some chipboard butterflies. These could be used as is or painted. I don't recognize the packaging. Um, but the butterflies are adorable. Then there were these wood veneer butterflies. And I think there are 5 of these butterflies in the kit. These are gorgeous. They have been painted on the top and they have like a bit of a shine to them. They're small. Some of them have like buttonholes in them, but they're gorgeous. So then the kit also came with some tags, and these are white embossed tags, so you could have some fun with these, adding some ink to these and adding some color. Then there's this L Studio Wander piece that you could use for a title. So then there are these tiny envelopes. These are from the Vicky Boutin Let's Wander collection. And each envelope has a little journaling paper inside. So you could actually do some journaling on one of these and tuck it inside an envelope to have like hidden messages on your layouts. These are super cute. The last thing in the kit is some cording and some clips. So these would be really cool clips to keep in your planner. Super fun. So that's the February kit. Please check out my YouTube process videos where I am making some layouts with these. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye bye now.